something to watch and see us do stupid shit. Right now we're using the same thing that last update and I think Minecraft Heritage. But the thing is, this is completely new to Lucy. He doesn't know. Yeah. He doesn't know jack shit about most features. Also, when they upgrade or they update the new most features, we'll definitely be updating it. And we just wanted to have something, a reason for me and her just to both and play Minecraft. And Minecraft daily sounds pretty fucking fun. I think you guys having Minecraft on the daily every day will be fucking awesome. And I'm excited. I'm excited to start playing more. It's been a while. It's been way too long. Shut the fuck up.
I'm only kidding. I'm sorry. But no, he really does. He's really excited to see me every day. Okay.
Wait. So right now we're doing the same bullshit. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna have a separate house or you wanna live with me?
You know what? I'm gonna
You're gonna make
they come into your house and stuff, and then maybe we might form some kind of relationship.
Minecraft relationship? How is this Rachel gonna feel about this? You don't care?
I was kidding.
You don't care about that?
I was kidding.
You don't care? You're gonna be my mistress?
Yeah, no, I always feel bad when it's like on a spiral, but like you build the household yourself, but I was like,
yeah, I know. I did all of it by myself. So this is pretty much gonna be like Breaking Friends last update, but with our own.
Breaking Friends is what I don't think I like to talk about.
It's gonna be Breaking Friends. So everybody out there wondering, everybody keeps asking me, hey, is it Breaking Friends? Apparently Lucy does not know about Breaking Friends. So
Maybe that'll after dinner, or maybe I will YouTube it after we finish recording.
Here's Life Fox.
it's gonna be a little bit too late.
Hey.
Because the homies know that I'm a huge teenager.
Can't hear me right now. Lord Foods. Life Fox. Can't hear me.
You still punching trees? I'm all the way over here in the outskirts.
Lord Fox. How? I'm just recording you.
Hey, you see me? I see you.
Oh yeah. Oh.
That's nothing to be proud of. I like this. This is really nice. And then I can have my